we are working on the cross bracing now. So we're going to have all sorts of weavers that are not being woven or just kind of hanging out here. So let's review. Here is our braided lashing, and then I've done like 3 rows of just a 3-point, and I'm going to get ready to put those ribs in. But before I do that, I have to put my cross bracing in so that you get the 4 lobes. Okay, so I put my piece in, and I am going to lash that doing a 3-point. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, that's put in there, and then I'm going to lash this side over here so that you can see what I'm doing. So you got to kind of disregard all the wingers, because you will have weavers that are, yeah, I mean, you're going to pick them back up, but not right now. Okay, so, and I always leave some extra up here. I can always trim that back, but I'd rather have a little extra, more than I need, than be at the point where I need more and I don't have any. Then I got to redo. So I'm going to disregard this top rim up here. Always want to leave a tail. This is a 3-point lashing, remember. Even though it's narrow, it's still a 3-point lashing. So there's my first part. And it's because I leave that tail there, I can grab that. And actually, if you look at that, you can see how I grabbed it. Okay, so there's my X. Once I've got my X done, it's just a 3-point. Here's number 1. This is a really long weaver, but like I say, when I'm doing a lashing, I want it to be long, because I don't want to run out. So there's my first. I go behind that crossbar, that's number 2, and then I'm going to come back up to the rim, that's number 3. And like I say, I'm disregarding this on top here right now. All I'm doing at this point is I'm just trying to get that piece locked in there and lashed. Okay, so I'm going to do one more row. This is over the rim. This time will be in front of the crossbar. Back up to the rim. Over the rim, under the crossbar this time. And you're going to do this for about, I think 3 to 4 rows. And when I say that, I mean you got 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps up top here. Same thing with here. Okay? And then when I get done, I just open this up a little bit and tuck that in there just to hold it. And I'll undo that when I get to the point where I'm ready to weave. But at this point, we're still got a little bit more to do before we're ready to weave.